Alright, here we go. Good luck, high. Box 10. Come on. So we got a list of the people we're missing on this stuff. Let's see if we can pull one of these that we're missing. Or 6 people, sorry. 6 people. Nope. Already got him. Andrei Rashkov. Price and Mr. Y. Oh shit, sorry. That one's numbered. Ha! The RM something something card. 94 of 99. There he is. That's the other one. That's one of the ones you were missing. Keith Arbuthnot as Golly. So we're down to 5. Or Gooley, not Golly, Gooley. My Struggle. 11 of 99. Coolio Gulio. Mulder. Second one of Jeremy Schutz. Jesus, that autograph. Young smoking cigarette man. That was that box. One. I'm gonna read off that last number. This one is 2751. Down to 5. Let's see if we can kill off one of the top 3 big ones, though. Mr. Y. Gooley. Nothing lasts forever. 68 and 99. Yep. I remember seeing photos. What was this? Ryan Beal, second one of his, and 2 cases. Mulder and Scully meet the word. 96 and 99. You would think Madeline Arthur. I mean, that's 2, right? So you get 48 per case, 96 in 2 cases. If it's a 100 base card set, you should be close to completing the blue ones. Unless you get dupes. You don't? Oof. Yeah, well, I wonder how many people open this stuff too. BOOM! I'm so fucking sick and tired of the Photoshop. Top 8. There he is. I don't even see a single David or Julian on it. There you go. There's David Duchovny. Glorious. Miles Robbins. Down to 4 left. Three? No, 4. Because you got Gooley and Duchovny. Oh. I was like, wait, did I miss one? The truth is out there, says Travis. Mr. Chuckle Teeth. 4 left, 4 autographs left so he can complete the set. He was missing Duchovny. Jillian Anderson, William B. Davis, Lauren Ambrose, and Keith Arbuthnot as Ghoulie. And we pulled Keith Arbuthnot in one of the previous boxes. Nothing lasts forever. And now we just pulled David Duchovny, so he's 4 away from completing the whole set of autographs. Mulder and Scully meet the War Monster. 11 of 99, 28 of 99. Yeah, just pull that in the previous box. Just pull that Mulder. Cigarette Smoking Man Skinner. One of the other short pro autographs. I'm surprised we haven't pulled that. Who was the one I said it was a comment? Megan Pita. Sorry, Megan Pita. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. It says she's a common too, so it shouldn't be hard to pull her. Yeah. Nope, another Britch. Man, that's fun. Good luck. What? Come on. Let's pull them in the first box I pulled them. That was really nice. Britch, Robbins, Arthur, Beal, Schutz, Arbuthnot, Rashkov, Duchovny. So that was good. That was my other question. Well, not my question, but we did one case, no big auto. I'll stop it right here.